Are you okay? Don't you love that song, honey? Bird is a bird.
I'm never feeding either one of you again.
Oh, honey.